chapter number 2, and the name of your chapter is our climate. Okay, so first of all you must have familiar with the word climate कि climate जो है वो क्या होता है students. The climate is the type of a weather over a long period of time, यानी ऐसा weather जो काफ़ी अरसे तक सेम रहता है, उसमें उस तरह शॉर्ट टर्म चेंजेस नहीं होती, उसको हम क्लाइमेट कहते हैं. एंड द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द क्लाइमेट आर टेम्परेचर, rainfall, snowfall, humidity, wind, and the sun rays. They all are the parts of the climate of a place. Now let's move on the difference between the comparison between weather and a climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition. It is sunny today, so it may be rainy tomorrow. It changes every day. ठीक है, ये हर रोज जो है वो change होता है. It does not remain constant. It changes every day, and it is the day-to-day condition. And whenever we talk about the climate, climate is the weather of a place, but over a long period of time, and it remain constant over a long period of time. This is a major difference between weather and a climate, that the weather is a short term and climate is a long period of time. The study of weather is called meteorology, and the study of climate is climatology. Meteorologist is a person who study the weather and forecast the weather. Climatologists study how climate are created and their consequences. Consequences means their side effects, or you can say their effects. Now look at the topic, which instruments are used in climatology, यानी वेदर को स्टडी करने के लिए उसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस को देखने के लिए कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो हैं वो यूज होते हैं. द फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज सैटेलाइट. Satellite is used to send the data about the weather to forecast the weather. ठीक है, satellites orbit the earth to record the weather. They send this data regularly. Hygrometer measure the humidity in the atmosphere. Humidity is the amount of water in the air, कि आपके एयर के अंदर जो है वो कितने परसेंट वाटर वेपर्स मौजूद हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज ह्यूमिडिटी. पिक में जो है वो आपको बैरोमीटर शो हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स. बैरोमीटर यूज टू मेजर द प्रेशर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रेशर हाई है या प्रेशर लो है एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर, वो क्या कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हमें ये चीज बताता है? बैरोमीटर. Now the thermometers measure the temperature of a place. I hope you all are familiar with the term thermometer. Sometime हम temperature को human body का temperature note करने के लिए भी thermometer जो है वो use करते हैं. Now what is the temperature? Temperature क्या होता है? It is the degree of hotness and coldness of a place. ठीक है? So let's discuss about the climate in the Pakistan. Climate of a Pakistan is variant. It has a lot of variation. The climate in Pakistan is quite interesting. Now, why it is interesting? Because there are extreme variations of the temperature. Sometimes temperature is very high, sometimes temperature is very low, and it depends on a season. It might be extremely cold in the northern areas, and at the same time it might be extremely hot in the southern areas, or you can say जो mountainous areas होते हैं उनका temperature usually cold होता है, और जो plain है, for example plain surface है जैसे पंजाब है, सिंध है, ये वाले provinces जो हैं इनका temperature जो है वो hot होता है. ठीक है. This variation is due to the great variety in the topography of the land. Topography means geography of the land. I have told you कि जो mountainous areas हैं उनका temperature usually cold होता है. So there are snow-covered mountains in the north, and the height of these mountains make the area very cold in the winters. Even in summer, the winter is quite cold in the evenings. In the afternoons, it is very pleasant. The valleys like Swat, Kalam Kaghan and Naran are extremely popular summer resorts. Murray Hills is the favorite summer resort of the countless Pakistanis. This picture is from Malanjapa, Swat. And this is the Karachi coastline, yani Karachi ka sahil hai. The coastal areas have better climate too. Why? Because the weather becomes pleasant to in evening, the temperature is less than in other parts of the country. लेकिन एक disadvantage क्या है, moisture जो है वो sea breeze की वजह से ज़्यादा हो जाता है. However, the moistures, humidity, the amount of water vapors in the air becomes unpleasant, occasionally unpleasant in which sense कि उसमें जो breathing problems हैं वो ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. किस तरह से आपकी ऑक्सीजन की अमाउंट जो है वो कम हो जाती है. This is an Indus plain. In the Indus, it becomes very hot in the summer. Many a times the temperature hovers around 45 to 47 degrees Celsius for a days on the end. The situation become worse. Worse mean pathetic, badtareen, when hot winds called Lu blow across these plains, which are bad for the crops as well as human beings. ठीक है, सिर्फ crops के लिए ही जो है वो नुकसानदेह नहीं है, बल्कि ये ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए भी नुकसानदेह है. लू क्या होती है, गर्म हवा, बहुत गर्म हवा. ठीक है. Occasionally dust storms and thunderstorms occur which reduce the intensity of the temperature. The evenings are comparatively cooler in winters. The temperature comes down on average 4 degrees Celsius. The areas in the Balochistan plateau are cool in the evenings and very hot in the daytime. This is Toba Achak Said, a name of a plateau in Balochistan. Now look at the topic, that does the country have adequate rainfall? Adequate means enough rainfall, काफी. ठीक है. Generally, the country is arid. Arid का मतलब क्या होता है, बंजर, because of overall less rainfall, especially the area of Balochistan. ठीक है, बलोचिस्तान जो है वो आप कह सकते हो arid land है. यहाँ vegetation जो है वो कम होती है. Some areas near Lahore and towards the north like Rawalpindi, Islamabad receive enough rainfall for them to store the water for later farming. The areas on the slopes of the Himalaya receive a good amount of rain because they intercept the rain-bearing winds from further south. And some areas of the Pothohar Plateau, Salt Range, Trans-Indus Plains, and the Sialkot region receive the adequate rainfall. Adequate means enough. These areas include the cities of Peshawar and Sialkot, and the areas with forest have ample rainfall. Deserts remain very dry because lack of the rainfall. Obviously, desert, Sahara, वहाँ जो है scarcity of water है, shortage of water है due to the less rainfall. Now let's discuss about the climate, importance of a climate, and you can say the effects of the climate in our lives. So it is very important. It has a great effect on everything that we do. It affects us, our crops, the way we live, the where we live. Human beings are very adaptable. Adaptable means they are flexible. They accept the change very easily. We have learned to adopt ourselves to the different climatic conditions and have made our lives comfortable. For example, हम winter में जो है वो आप कह सकते हो हीटर यूज करते हैं, और समर में जो है वो हम एसी का यूज ज्यादा करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है, हमारा चेंज आ रहा है वेदर की वजह से, हमारी सराउंडिंग में चेंज आ रहा है, हमारे वे ऑफ लिविंग में चेंज आ रहा है, हमारी क्लोथिंग में किस तरह से चेंज आता है. लेट्स डिस्कस इट. द क्लॉथ्स वी वेयर डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द एरिया. We plan our outings according to the climate. Business launch their products according to the climate. For example, जो जूस का अगर कोई बिजनेस है तो वो ज्यादातर कब लॉन्च करेंगे, समर के अंदर लॉन्च करेंगे. ठीक है. We do not play outside when the sun is blazing down, as we might have a sunstroke, especially in a summer. ठीक है, समर में जब तेज धूप होती है तो हम अवॉइड करते हैं बाहर खेलने से. We do not enjoy the rain or play outside in the winter when it is very cold, as we might catch a cold or fall sick. So we play indoor games and indoor sports in the winters, and we like outdoor games in winters में जब बाहर धूप हो. ठीक है, each climate change brings its own variety of food which we enjoy. For example, summer के अंदर जो है वो mango होगा और different fruits होंगे, और विंटर के अंदर जो है वो एप्पल होगा और इसके अलावा डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स होंगे. ठीक है, we plant crops according to the climate. Some crops cannot be grown in the cold climates, but for other crops a cold climate is essential. The meaning of essential is important. And in mountainous areas of the Pakistan where snowfall in winter season, roofs of houses are constructed in a slope. Slope के साथ जो है वो क्यों construct किए जाते हैं? Look at the picture. इसलिए कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं ताकि जो भी स्नोफॉल हो वो उनके लेंटर के ऊपर, उनके रूफ के ऊपर आके ठहर ना जाए, बल्कि वो स्लिप हो जाए. ठीक है, द स्लोपिंग रूफ्स डू नॉट अलाउ द स्नो टू पाइल अप ऑन देम. In the plains of the Punjab and Sindh, houses are built with ventilators so that the fresh air can pass through the houses. So let's move on the exercise. Column matching, you join the word to its meaning. You have to open the page number 24. Okay. Okay, let's start the part B. Join the word to its meaning. The first word is climatology. Students, you know that the answer is written in front of it. The answer is 3. So the study of climate is the climatology. The study of climate is called climatology. And meteorology, the second. इसका आंसर क्या लिखा है? 5. So meteorology is the study of weather. Meteorology is the study of weather. Now the third is meteorologist. Meteorologist, obviously ऑप्शन 1 लिखा है इसका आंसर. ऑप्शन 1 में क्या है हमारे पास? स्टेटमेंट 1 क्या है? वन हु स्टडी एंड फोरकास्ट द वेदर इज नॉन एज meteorologist. Now the fourth term is climatologist. Obviously the one who study how climate are created. ठीक है, and their consequences, their side effects, वो क्या है हमारे पास? क्लाइमेटोलॉजिस्ट जो है वो डिस्कस करता है, या आप कह सकते हो स्टडी करता है. And the fifth is climate. Climate is the weather of a place over a long period of time. आपने जो है वो सिर्फ नंबरिंग करनी है. ठीक है, climate is the weather of a place over a long period of time, and the weather is day-to-day condition and it changes every time. As the answer is written in front of it, it is day-to-day and changes every time. इसको जो है वो आप अपनी बुक के ऊपर सॉल्व करोगे. All right. Now let's move on the page number 24. Identify the pictures and write their names. First picture is about a satellite orbiting the Earth. A satellite orbiting the Earth to record the climate information. And the next is the picture of barometer. And you know that the use of barometer measure the pressure in the atmosphere, that the pressure of atmosphere is high or low. Okay, and part D is you have to write true for the correct sentence and false for the incorrect sentences. Climate and weather both are the same things? Not at all. Both are different. ठीक है, हमारे पास जो है वो हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है, ये सेम नहीं है बल्कि ये डिफरेंट है। और उसके अंदर डिफरेंस क्या है कि क्लाइमेट जो है वो क्या होता है हमारे पास, लॉन्ग टर्म कंडीशन ऑफ अ वेदर, और जो है वेदर है हमारे पास वो क्या है, हमारा शॉर्ट टर्म कंडीशन। ठीक है, सो दिस इज फॉल्स, दिस इज अ फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। आपने पूरा लिखना है फॉल्स। ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर वेरी अनअडेप्टेबल, नॉट एट ऑल। वी हैव discussed that the human beings are adaptable, they are flexible, they always welcome the changes. So this is also a false statement. The hot winds blowing across the plains are called Lu. This is true. The hot winds are called Lu. Sawat, Kalam, Kagan and Naran are plateaus. This is a true statement. Murray is the favorite summer resort. This is also a true statement. The temperature in places with high altitude is very high. This is true. The climate in the coastal areas is pleasant because of the sea breeze. ठीक है, सी ब्रीज की वजह से जो है वो कोस्टल एरियाज, फॉर एग्जांपल दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द कराची, वहाँ एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो इवनिंग के टाइम में प्लेजेंट हो जाता है ड्यू टू द सी ब्रीज. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ true statement. So students, this is all about your chapter and we have done part B of your exercise, part C and part D, and inshallah in the next class we will discuss the question answers.